Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and making sure location is on. This gives real-time positioning. Grant the app permission to use location, then sign in so your saved places sync. Once done, tap the search bar and enter an address, business name, or coordinates. You can also long press the map to drop a pin. Make sure the blue location dot appears. If it does, you're tracking. Now zoom and position the map to confirm the exact spot before moving to directions. You pick directions to plan travel. Choose the mode, driving, transit, walking, or cycling, because each shows different routes and times. Once selected, compare alternate routes shown in gray versus the primary route in blue. Tap each to see turn-by-turn steps. Toggle layers like traffic or satellite to understand conditions and landmarks. For a closer look, drag the pegment into Street View. If you need precision, use measure distance to check straight line distance between points. You finalize by saving the place to a list or labeling it home or work so it's easy to return to. Download an offline map for the area if you expect no signal. Tap Start to begin navigation and follow voice guidance. Switch routes mid-trip if traffic or closures appear. If your location is off, recalibrate the compass by moving your phone in a figure 8, check location permissions, and toggle Wi-Fi/GPS. These steps fix most issues and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.